violation. Marlon Thomas, shot number 30. Substitution, number 11, Edokian for number 8, Mike Trotter. Out of bounds. Ball number 5. First ball. First big ball. Marino. Substitution, number 8, Big Hardy, for number 9, for Russia. Number 50, Bagua, for number 9, Malhate. Response. Shot off 30. Robin violation. Out of bounds. White response. Out of bounds. Ivane Dexter. Ball number 5, penalty. First personal ball. Second big ball. Lower Sivana. This broke the first quarter. This quarter's broke 3-1. Vice field of 40. Guadalupe Hernandez. Stephen White. Foul number 11, Pinocchio. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul number 60, Loco. First personal foul. The Harley Blazer. Gravity violation. Gravity violation, substitution. The number 9 ball rush for number 50, Sion. Number 7, Vida for number 9, Wallace Sartre. One ball, Roger. Substitution. Number 8, Frank Doyle for number 11, Kate Owen. Number 5, Wadi, second personal foul. 2 shots for number 9, Paul Russia. Substitution, number 50, Papa for number 5, Wiley. Roger Hanma. Foul number 50, Papa, first personal foul, third team foul. Two shots for number 12, third Davis. Lee Harley, Dexter. Substitution, number 8, Ballin, for number 8, Hot Drive. This going on throw, Cuba, City Council, stop, Island. Dexter. Out of bounds. Rocketing violation. Richard Vida. Rodriguez. Substitution. Number 15, Sia, or number 9, Horacio. Out of bounds. Roger Hanma. Foul number 5, Wadi. Third personal foul, fourth team foul. Layson Wadi. Red Sia. In Obrasigan quarter, this quarter's from Cuba, Vice Mayor at Gordy, Hoy Bonelli Fernandez. 3 seconds violation. Ball number 1, Bola, first ball. Second deep ball. Ball number 50, Sion, first ball, first deep ball. 2 shots for number 1, Jola. Ball number 20, first ball, second deep ball. Lower Sibata. 2 shots for number 9, 1 Sartay.
Sound check, sound check. Third quarter mga ka-Asenso with 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. It's Barangay Lison Valley versus Barangay Lower Sibatang. And mo ni ang ato ang play-in period karon mga ka-Asenso para sa Rural A Division, wherein ang mudaog ani is makasulod sa second round sa play-in period. Ang mapildi is tagak na. This is a knockout system mga ka-Asenso sa ato ang play-in period, wherein Barangay Lower Sibatang is the 10th in standing and Lison Valley is 11th. This is your commentator Gab. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan mga ka-Asenso. Late ang gwapo kay daghan kay kuan, kaning trabaho ang gwapo ba. And now Valel almost lost that ball. Esmas labas para kay Malazarte. Floater too strong. Tapikan ang bola. Malazarte gets now to Vidal attacking. No foul called. Number 9, Oracion missed that easy layup but gets his own rebound. Nice fake, too strong. Tapikan ang bola. It's do or die game for these two teams mga ka-Asenso, Lower Sibatang and Lison Valley. No, ang mapildi Tagak ang Mudaog proceed sa second round sa play-in. Play-in period mga ka-Asenso, wherein they will be fighting for the 4th spot kay secured na daan ang 1st to 3rd spot para sa ato ang quarterfinals. And from rank 6 to rank 4 to rank 16, magkontra-kontra sila, magdula sila. They will be fighting for the 4th spot para makasulod sa quarterfinals. So usa ni siya karon ang round 1 sa atong play-in. Bawan missed that 3-pointer. Esmas fakes. Nasagi ang bibig ni Esmas. Ayun, may foul na tinawag. 33-32. It's just a 1-point game. Vale umatake and he is fouled. Vale, a senior high school student from Pagadian Science High School. Actually, murag na ani siya klase karon pero anhe siya para modula ba. Bright future for this kid, mga ka-Asenso. And he's still, I think, 17 years old. 16. Ambot lang. Basta akong nabalan kay gwapo ko. And Calma scores for Barangay Lison Valley, taking a 1-point lead. Orasyon to CI. Di makalusot over the head pass. What a fake by Rodriguez. Mind you, again, mga ka-Asenso, no, it's a do-or-die game for this team. Hinay? Aw, gwapo ko? Aw, lagi. Now to Vale, crosses over against 2 defenders. Now to Bawan, missing that forced shot. Kilme with the rebound, pass break, pass para kay Orasyon. Too strong, Orasyon was not able to catch that pass. Uy. And shout out to Gilbert. Gipangita ka dito, Gilbert. Pangita ka dito. Esmas missed. CI crossover. Attacking, lays it up with the left hand, and he is fouled. Shout out po kay DJ Jabs. Smile to ara. Madungog kusog giday tingog no. Og syempre kang J Sam. Ang poging-pogi ng Barangay Murica, and of course the very beautiful Rai Majesty. Ang mamirahay sa Barangay Santiago. Mamirahay gwapo ba? Sama ka? Di ba? Calma, lumipad para sa rebound na yon. Good defense for Barangay. Lower si Batang. Muntikan pa. 8 seconds. 19 to Vidal. Labas para kay Esmas. Attacking, ball stripped from his hands. Recovered by Calma. Turn around. Shot is good. Kilme. Naikilme na po yung Calma. Murdil. Evading that block. Agawan ang bola sa mag-teammates. And foul call against Calma. Rep, bukton raman to. Rep, ganun, foul man to. Bukton raman to.
Substitution. Number 15, Guapo. For number 4, Espas. Substitution. Number 60, Lomo. For number 5, Henry. Almost second personal foul. Hendrik Joshua.
Floater is missed. Basket won't. Now basket the eye. And a foul called Kasi ano daw ka ganina? Iverson. Saan daw ganina? La Suerte. Okay. Game recap, no? La Suerte wins the game sa tuong first game karong hapon, Rural B. So ang magsugod, no? Magsugod ang Rural B division sa ilang play-in will be tomorrow. And it will be played between Barangay Puloyagan and Barangay Dampalan Ugma. So pilditagak ni Barangay Puloyagan rank number 6, Barangay Dampalan rank number 15. Kini siya karon play-in sa Rural A division. And volley is blocked. Out of bounds, bounce pass. Ooh, careless pass there by Bale, stolen by number 16 of Barangay Lower, si Batang. CI, nabakante for 3, missed. Gets his own rebound. Umatake. Baseline. 4 shot is good. Vale. Another careless dribble. But a kick ball called against number 16 of Barangay Lower, si Batang. Too strong for that pass. Fast break. And a good pass para kay Decale. 4 straight points para sa Barangay Lower, si Batang. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Vidal, nakalusot. Passing ito Tambong. Left hand off the glass. Basket count. CI to number 12. Against Vale. Rodriguez. Pass intercepted by Tambong. Isa pa ulit. Tambong with the left hand. And it's good. Bumawi ng 4 straight points naman ngayon ang Barangay Lison Valley. And another steal by Vidal. 6 straight points para sa Barangay Lison Valley. At biglang habol ang score. 43-42. Bawing-bawi agad ang Barangay Lison Valley for that play. 4 straight points para kay Tambong and a steal by Vidal. And steal by Vidal, scoring a basket for Barangay Lison Valley, cutting the lead to 1. Fourth quarter, mga ka-Asenso. And it's a do or die game, so good luck to both teams. Ayan na, fourth quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Who will take the win? Uy, shout out diay kay Christine Joy Agitong. Akong matuod ng estudyante sa una sa WIMSU Criminology. Wapa kay ni siya, mga ka-Asenso. Uy, kung kinsay single diha, available ang ato ang kuan, paninda sa gawas. Available ay si Christine Joy Agitong. Rito di ka Agitong para masaya ba? Who will take the win this afternoon? Close fight here, mga ka-Asenso. Just a 1-point lead for Barangay Lower, si Batang. Good passing for Barangay LS. Bata pa sobra ang pasa. Now out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay LV. LV branded kayo ray oh. LV. Branded kayo ang ato ang kuan. Oy, stolen by CI. CI with a fast break shot. Mora ni barangay, mora ni city nga ay branded nga barangay. LV Lison Valley. Vidal, 3-point lead for barangay. Lower si Batang. Hidokyo with a jumper. Balik sa isang lamang. And stolen by Tambong. Pass to Kapua. And Kapua takes the lead. What's up, Sai? Wala pa, layo pa. And another steal. Kapua with 4 straight points for Barangay Lison Valley. Taking the lead with 3 points para sa Barangay LV. Biglang habol ang Barangay LV, mga ka-asenso. What a careless pass and play here for Barangay LS. Lumpok against Vidal. Good defense here for Barangay LV. Lumpok, nakita si Gilme. Nabakante sa ilalim. Good look. Offensive. Travel yan. Offensive traveling. 1-point lead for Barangay LV. Vidal strip the ball from the hands of the opponent. Pass break pass para kay Hidokyo. And Hidokyo connects from that pass break. And another steal. 4 straight points na naman para sa Barangay Lison Valley. Made by Vidal this time. Good defense for Barangay LV. Decale to Rodriguez. Missed. Kinapos ang layup. Rebounded by number 16. Now to Hidokyo. Hidokyo pass break. And out of bounds. Too strong ang pasa ni Hidokyo para kay number 19 ng Barangay Lison Valley. But well, what a good offensive transition here for Barangay Lison Valley. Anticipating that pass. Stolen by Vidal and then score for the 4th straight point. Lumpok against Tambong. Now to Lumpok. Inside feed para kay Kilme na naman. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lison Valley with 6 minutes and 55 seconds left in the 4th quarter. Kapua floats in the air, no good. Kilme with the rebound. Decale, Lumpok para CI. CI sa ilalim to Rodriguez. And another miss by Rodriguez. Decale with the rebound. Ball is lost from his hands.
Out of bounds.
49-52. Still in favor of Barangay Lison Valley. Hidokyo. Tambong to Vidal against Decale. Vidal umatake. One-hander and it's good. Hail Mary shot there for Vidal. Off balance. Buti na lang pumasok. Decale with the ball against Tambong. Decale with a traveling violation. Kitang-kita yon.
Traveling violation.
Now to Vidal, turns around, good pass para kay Tambong, and supalpal, pero may foul na itinawag ang referee against number 12, Rodriguez.
Number 9, Marasco.
And Oracion will check in for Decale. Good luck, good luck.
2 shots for number 90, Mambo.
Limang puntos ang lamang. Tambong missing another free throw, out of bounds. Valley will check in for Hidokyo.
Out of bounds.
Nakanindot aning Asenso Barangay Cup ba kay magsagol ang Batanon ug ang Tigulang, and they have equal respect for each other. No, lami kay pamalandungon unsa ba? CI for 3. Bang! And CI nails a 3-pointer para sa Barangay Lison Valley. Good drop defense here for Barangay LS. Pero nabakante si Tambong. And Tambong lays it up. Bumawi naman agad ng 2 puntos. Si Tambong. Lumpok naman ngayon against Valley. Lumpok tries to cross. Forced shot, missed. Tapi ka ng bola. And traveling violation called against Oracion. Four-point lead for Barangay Lison Valley. Kalma against CI. Kalma. Napakalma. And now to Vidal against Quilme. Vidal nakalusot. Good feed para kay Kapua sa ilalim. What a give and go here by the two players. Lumpok. Kita si Rodriguez sa ilalim, but Rodriguez is too short for that pass. Timeout called by Barangay LS. Oh, Barangay LV. Timeout called by Barangay LV. 52-58. LV up by 6 points. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Kalma with a missed pass. Intercepted by Oracion. Kinapos na naman si Rodriguez. Pangatlong beses nang kinapos si Rodriguez sa layup.
Shot clock 12 seconds to shoot.
12 seconds in the shot clock. Kung nanulod pa to, sure na unta. Oracion with a nice pass sa ilalim Decale, and he is fouled by Tambong.
Foul number 90, Mambo. Third personal foul.
Konting oras na lang ang nalalabi mga ka-Asenso. 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. CI tumira ng 3. Mintes. Kapua with the rebound. Pass break para kay Vidal. Easy 2 para kay Vidal. CI aatake, turns around, ball strip, and he's fouled by Kalma. 19, Tambong. Pang-apat na foul na ni Tambong. CI drives, another foul, and now basket count. Okay, basket counts dito. Na-carry naman ang bola. 4 na puntos na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lison Valley as CI will try to complete a 3-point game, cutting the lead to 4 di ay unom di ay sa muka oy. 6-point lead for Barangay Lison Valley. Kalma with the ball. Now to Tambong. Muntikan pang 8 seconds violation. Vidal balik kay Tambong. The give and go by Vidal and Tambong. Vidal, what an unselfish player there. And intercepted by Kapua. Ang uban pa to, idiritso na to. Vidal, kita yun niya gyapon si Tambong. Gipasa pa niya balik. And traveling violation call against Vale. Oracion. Lost the ball. Now Vidal lays it up. And again, Vidal scores for Barangay Lison Valley. Unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Barangay Lison Valley. Napatawag bigla ng timeout ang Barangay Lower Sibatang. Hospital. Matay, nagkadugay ko diri ba? Nagka-memorize naman ako mga kanta nga gi-play ni DJ. Madugay na, ma-memorize na ako. Adorico Hospital. Ito man yung lamisa. And now back to our ball game with 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 10 ang lamang ng Barangay Lison Valley. Lumpok, cross-court pass to CI. Jumper para kay Decale. Decale is blocked by Valley. Pero may foul na itinawag si Vong Navarro, referee Vong Navarro. Middle, mamawag Bong Navarro no, tanawa gani. Oh? Sus, barog, gagaway, Bong Navarro, yung dating ba? And Decale missed the first throw. Missed the second throw. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso. Tambong to Kapua. Ganda ng pwestuhan ng Barangay Lison Valley for an easy score. Agoy, sakpan yung ko sa mga estudyante dire ron.
Out of bounds. Got back 17 seconds.
Lumpok to CI for 3 and missed. Top, gawa ng bola sa ere. Kalma wins the rebound. Now to Vale. And he is fouled.
Foul number 9. For Russian, personal foul. Satan Hilpa. Lower Sibata.
Kalma. To Tambong. To Vidal. 10-second shot clock. Hesitation. Crossover. Driving. Passing it to Vale. Nabitawan pa ang bola. Kapua with a 3-second shot clock. And missed for that layup. And stolen by Vidal. Vidal, ako na muna off the glass. Missed. Tapi ka ng bola. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Ball goes to Barangay LS. Oracion, tumira ng 3. Mintes, rebounded by Tambong. And Barangay LV smelling their win this afternoon as they advance for the second round of the play-in. Vale taking their time with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Kapua missed. LS with a final shot.
Borrasco.
And congratulations to Barangay Lison Valley for winning this game and advancing in the second round of our play-in. Congratulations again. And thank you very much, Barangay Lower Zibatang, for participating this first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Thank you very much, Lison Valley. Your participation is highly appreciated. This is your commentator, Gab. Congrats! Advance naman sa play-in. Up next, mga ka-Asenso, Barangay Banalay versus Barangay Gatas.